I've never seen a beach with rubbish on like this.
This is the first time I'm visiting here, and to be honest, this is the first time I'm seeing the ocean. I can only see garbage here and there. I don't even see a stretch of clean water.
We have been throwing a lot of garbage into the sea, and now sea is returning that garbage back to us.
People need to stop throwing trash into the rivers and into the sea because it's got to go somewhere and it ends up in a place like this.
यहाँ के लोग खुद समझदार नहीं है तो वो दूसरों को बोल के कुछ फायदा नहीं.
Juhu Beach, one of Mumbai's popular tourist destinations. But it's trending on social media and it's also on the news due to the garbage crisis that is witnessed over here at the Juhu Beach. So since last few days we have seen the garbage, the littering, the dump, the trash at this Juhu Beach chowpatty. And various social media users, various Mumbaikars are criticizing the current state of the Juhu Beach due to the garbage crisis. So there's a lot of sewage waste that has been piled up here at the Juhu Beach. You might have seen those concerning visuals also of Juhu Beach where there's a lot of trash and garbage that is thrown at the Juhu Beach. Various social media users are also commenting. They have compared the situation of the Juhu Beach 10 to 20 years back and now what's the situation at present. So today it's July 18, we visited the Juhu Beach on a Saturday morning, and over there the beach was littered with plastic bottles, food wrappers, thermocol, discarded footwear, pieces of cloth, and patches of sewage laden water were also visible along the sections of the coastline, creating unpleasant environment for morning walkers, tourists, local vendors and residents. So as we all know, various tourists come over here. As I told, it's a very popular tourist destination. Foreigners visit this Juhu Beach. Many celebrities have their homes along the vicinity of the Juhu Beach. But still the situation is very concerning. So the BMC, which is Asia's largest and richest municipal corporation, it has also intensified the cleanup measures on this Juhu Beach, and the cleanup measures were intensified after the heavy rainfall that the city of Mumbai and the state of Maharashtra witnessed. So nearly 350 metric tons of marine debris is washing ashore every day on this Juhu Beach. BMC is currently removing around 180 metric tons of waste daily, with nearly 1,800 metric tons cleared and scientifically disposed of over the past 10 days. So as I told, Mumbai witnessed a heavy rainfall since last few days. Over 1000 mm of rainfall recorded in early July washed large quantities of floating waste from minor drains and natural channels into the Arabian Sea. So due to this tidal action, the debris is now returning to the coastline, adding pressure on the Juhu Beach cleaning operations. So the garbage crisis at Juhu Beach has once again put the spotlight on city's marine pollution and the garbage disposal system. So here at Juhu Beach, we spoke to various visitors. Some of them came here to visit the Juhu Beach for the first time. Many were tourists. Some were local residents who came to enjoy the sea breeze and to spend the quality time with their family. Some were disappointed, whereas some were hopeful that the situation will improve and the civic authorities will take appropriate action. Some told that the plastic should be banned over here, whereas few visitors told that it's a moral responsibility of the citizens to maintain the cleanliness in and around the beach. Listen to the reactions, what the visitors had to say.
It's my first time in Asia actually on this trip. So we've been to Chennai and Bengaluru and Mumbai, and then we go to Delhi tomorrow. I was shocked because I've never seen a beach with rubbish on like this. In England we might have the odd, wrapper or a can or something, but here it's just all over, and there's no way that anybody would want to go in the water or even sunbathe because it's just dirty, dangerous and bad for the environment, bad for everybody. I think they need to clean the beach every night, and I think people need to stop throwing trash into the rivers and into the sea because it's got to go somewhere and it ends up in a place like this. It's so much better to throw it away into a bin and get it collected and dealt with properly.
It is every citizen's duty to take care of our resources. Everybody is responsible for this, not only the government or not only one person has to take in it. Is every individual's responsibility to clean up the beach so that we can keep our surroundings clean. They can also enjoy, everybody, tourists, whoever comes, they can also enjoy. We are not basically from here, but now we are going to stay here. Look at the way so much of heap of these things is there. That has to be cleared out. People should enjoy the resources. Everybody come here to have a pleasant, whatever that sea breeze, what we enjoy. That has to be really enjoyed rather.
I'm visiting this place for the first time. I'm from Patna, Bihar, and I've been lately posted here in Ghatkopar. So this is the first time I'm visiting here, and to be honest, this is the first time I'm seeing the ocean. And this is really traumatizing for me to see so much of garbage. I can only see garbage here and there. I don't even see a stretch of clean water. So I think precaution is better than cure. So the authorities should take measures before the rains, I would say, so that all of these can be avoided. I think Indians have this tendency of, just even if you're walking by some of any beach, even if you're having something, they just have this habit of throwing it here and there. So I think not only the BMC or the local authorities, even we as the citizens, as the localites, should have this thing in our mindset that this is not a dumping yard. We just can't randomly dump here and there whatever we have in our hands. And of course, the authorities have to take action for proper drainage systems or, the cleanliness drives, etc. Whatever they do.
I have been to Juhu Beach before, but this is quite surprising. I was checking this on news before coming over here, that should I visit to the Juhu Beach or not. And we have a lot of guests who are traveling from other parts of India, and my family members and tourists as well. So it's very unfortunate to see that we have been throwing a lot of garbage into the sea, and now sea is returning that garbage back to us, which I think is a balancing thing. Just to give you the background, I was planning to be here for at least an hour, but I think I won't be staying here more than 30 minutes because it's kind of smelly, and you can see trash all around you.
पहले तो बहुत अच्छा लगता था यहाँ पे, बाकी आप तो हम आए तो बहुत गंदा लग रहा है यहाँ पे, और जो है कि कितना कचरा और कितना क्लाउड लग रही है यहाँ पे। इसका ध्यान रखना चाहिए सफाई वगैरह का। यहाँ पे इतने टूरिस्ट आते हैं, इतना सब कुछ लोग बाहर से विदेशों से आते हैं यहाँ पे, तो ये ऐसा रहेगा तो फिर ये टूरिस्ट कैसे आएंगे यहाँ पर, और ऐसा रहा तो फिर टूरिस्ट कम हो जाएंगे यहाँ पे।
और अभी देख रहे कि भाई जू की क्या हालत है, मतलब कितना कचरा है इधर। देखो आप प्लास्टिक देखो, मतलब ये ज़िंदगी में कभी देखा नहीं था। अभी सेकंड या थर्ड टाइम देख रहा हूँ कि भाई ऐसी हालत कैसे क्या हो गई। गोराई बीच की तो नहीं है, इधर ही क्यों हो रही है? क्योंकि यहाँ के लोग खुद समझदार नहीं, तो वो दूसरों को बोल के कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं। सब अच्छे लोग रहते हैं, लेकिन सबको एक साथ अगर कदम बढ़ाएंगे, सब एक साथ बोलेंगे, तो इसका कुछ हल निकलेगा। प्रतिबंध लगाओ ना आप कोई भी चीज़ पे, प्लास्टिक पे। हम तो चले जाएंगे, लेकिन जो जनरेशन आ रही है उनका क्या होगा, वो देखो ना आप।
ड्रेनेज सिस्टम अगर क्लीन रहे, प्रॉपर रहे, गार्बेज का अच्छा से अगर व्यवस्था हो कहीं पे जो है सो डिस्पोज करने का, तो इसको खूबसूरत बना सकता है। क्योंकि मुंबई तो वैसे भी नाम से लगता है कि हम वहाँ पर जा रहे हैं तो कुछ विशेष दिमाग में इमेज रहता है कि हम वहाँ कुछ घूमने जा रहे हैं तो हमको इस तरह का देखने को मिलेगा। लेकिन यहाँ आके थोड़ा सा जो है सो हमको लग रहा है कि मतलब उतना अच्छा ये चीज़ देख के नहीं लग रहा है। तो इसमें सरकार को ध्यान देना चाहिए, बीएमसी को ध्यान देना चाहिए कि बाहर से लोग आते हैं मन में कुछ और ही इमेज लेके आते हैं, और यहाँ आके जो चीज़ देखते हैं सामने तो थोड़ा सा मन जो है सो दूषित हो जाता है। तो इसमें सुधार करने की ज़रूरत है।
एक्सपीरियंस तो बहुत ही गंदा है। जो तरीके से सोचा था जू बीच के बारे में, वैसा तो कुछ है ही नहीं। यहाँ पे सब कचरा ही है, नाले का पानी मिक्स हो रहा है, ये सारी चीज़ें हैं। देख के डिसअपॉइंट हुआ, बाकी और कुछ नहीं। जैसा सोचा था उस तरीके का नहीं है मुंबई।
यहाँ से बाहर के लोग आते हैं, दूसरी कंट्री से भी आते हैं, उनके इंप्रेशन अच्छा नहीं पड़ेगा ऐसा गंदगी रहेंगी तो वो बाहर भी जाके अपनी कंट्री में बताएंगे कि ऐसा था करके।
अभी फ़ोटो सेशन करने के पहले ही मैंने सोच लिया कि नहीं करना है। अब क्या फ़ोटो सेशन करेंगे, कचरा ही आ रहा है तो उसके लिए नहीं।
हम नागपुर में जाएंगे तो हम क्या बताएंगे, कचरा था यहाँ पर, हमने कचरे के पीछे हम फोटो खींचा, ऐसा हो जाएगा।
Meanwhile, the BMC has deployed heavy machinery for the cleanup operations, including the JCBs, excavators, dumpers, trolleys, tractors, beach cleaning machines, and manual as well as mechanical equipment is also deployed over here, and the collected waste is being sent for scientific processing and disposal. That is what the officials over here are telling. Meanwhile, Shiv Sena UBT leader and the leader of opposition Kishori Pednekar also visited the Juhu beach, and she accused the BMC of a sanitation failure, alleging that uncleared drain waste is flowing into the sea and leaving garbage heaps, some up to 3 feet high, along Mumbai's coastline. She called it a failure of civic management, and she demanded a comprehensive inquiry and immediate release of a white paper on the city's deteriorating sanitation situation.